Welcome to Mobil Card Online. This portal provides easy access to key account information to help you manage your fuel expenditure both efficiently and effectively. Once you log into your account, you'll notice a summary of your history is available. You can easily identify your current account balance and next payment details too. There's also recent transactions from cards under the account. Full transaction details are available by simply clicking the down arrow at the right-hand side of each item. To make navigating around the portal easier, there's 3 tiles along the top of the page that provide ready access to key customer activities. Make a payment, manage your cards, and manage your account details. Manage your cards takes you to a detailed list of all cards on your Mobil Card account. You can search in the top left-hand corner using either card number, driver name, or rego details. Once you find the card you're looking for, you can click on its details to access full options available for card management. You can amend product controls, cancel the card, report it lost or stolen, amend the PIN settings, and see a list of card-specific transactions. At the press of a button, you can also add a new card. All functions are designed to provide easy management of your Mobil cards. Under Manage Your Account Details, you'll find a summary of key account information, including address and business details. You can easily update contact information like your phone number or email address. You can also download statements under the Statements tile. Another great feature in this section is Transaction Controls. This allows daily, weekly, or monthly controls to be created and set up as Notify Only or Enforced, so the restriction is actively in place. Whatever option you choose, you're in control. If you ever have a query about your account, you can click the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. Our team are at your service and will respond directly to your query. It's all part of our promise to help you get your business fuel needs sorted. Mobil Card, your business sorted.